7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Keisha, you crazy mother.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Keisha. One of my favorite things to do is soak in a nice warm bath. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make some of my favorite bath salts. In a previous video of mine, I showed you guys some of my favorite things to purchase from the dollar store featuring these two bath salts. And today I'm going to show you guys how exactly I put them into good for your skin, super high-end DIY bath salts. This is going to show you the basic recipe of how to make bath salts your own, and then you can add whatever kind of scent that you want into them. If you guys like this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up, and don't be shy, click that big red button to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get on with the video. To make your bath salts, you're going to need a few things and ingredients. First, you're going to need a clean bowl as well as a spoon, and then something to stir it with, like a spatula. This one is my cosmetic spatula that I use for literally everything. Next, you're going to need some oils. You can add whatever types you want, but this is the blend that I like using. So I have some extra virgin olive oil. I have some coconut oil. I have this Skin So Soft bath oil spray. I like to add aloe vera in mine because I feel like it's just very nice and conditioning to the skin. I love to add a little bit of tea tree oil because I feel like it gives, one, it like gets rid of odor, and two, just a little bit, very little bit, because remember, you're soaking in this and your lady down there is gonna be in there too. So you don't want too much of this, but a little bit goes a long way. It helps to get rid of odor, and it's kind of like a preservative too. Then we also have glycerin some glycerin and rose water because I love adding rose water in literally everything. It's my favorite go-to. Then you're gonna need 2 empty jars, or however many empty jars, but I'm making 2, so 2 empty jars. You can add some more oils if you'd like. I ended up adding some vitamin A oils and vitamin E oils. And then I also, for the scent, I ended up adding rosemary as well as fennel seed. Once you have all of these ingredients, you're ready to make your bath salts. Let's pan you over to my kitchen.
The first mixture we're going to start off with is the rose and fennel seed bath salts. So you're going to start off with some coconut oil, and since it's a solid at room temperature, you're going to pop it in the microwave for at least 10 seconds. Next, you're going to add the rest of your ingredients. So your aloe vera, your Skin So Soft oil, a few drops of tea tree oil, and some olive oil. If you don't have any essential oils, you can definitely use some vitamin E in a capsule. Just use a thumbtack to poke a hole into it and squeeze it out into your mixture. Once you've added all your ingredients into your bowl, it's going to look something like this. So now we're just adding in our bath salts, and you just want enough to soak up the oil or enough to fill your jar. You're going to take your spatula and mix it around together. And finally, we're adding in our fennel seeds to add to the scent and of course to make it look pretty. So just mix that around with your spatula and then slowly pour that into your jar. When you're done, your bath salts should look something like this. For the lavender and rosemary, you're just going to use all the same ingredients and pour that into your bowl. And then of course you're going to add your rosemary. You're going to want to stir it all together as usual to get all the oil and the rosemary just to blend into each other, and then carefully pour it into your jar. And then I switched to using a spoon because it was a lot easier. Once that's done, your lavender and rosemary bath salt will look something like this.
And this, of course, is your finished product. Now, I absolutely love these. I love the blends of scents that they have in there. And I love that the salts kind of absorb all the oil, so it's not going to be too much. I know that also a lot when you soak in a bath, sometimes it takes out a lot of the oils in your skin, which is why we put some oils in there. So I hope you guys try out some of these recipes for your bath salts and tell me in the comments how this went for you. For more pictures and details, remember to check out my blog, it's lakeisha.blogspot.ca, and I'll see you lovely ladies and gents in my next video. Bye!
So I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you beautiful, lovely people in my next video. Bye!